Have you ever imagined that why we are so emotionally dependent on few people in our life? Why you have this urge of talking to that one person every single day for hours after hours? Still you want to talk every single day. Why are we emotionally dependent on others? Let's discuss this today in this video. Hi beautiful souls, this is Bithika. Welcome to my channel. So why are we emotionally dependent on people? Our loved ones, our near and dear ones, parents, lovers, boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, wife. Why we are so emotionally dependent on people? Why we need that phone call every single day? Why we need that validation? Why we need that time to talk? There's a lot of confusion between couples that they don't give time to each other, or they don't call on time or response. Why this happens? As we all know that we are energy beings. We are beings made up of energy. Even our 5 elements body is a energy. Everything is energy, right? And we say that we are fulfilled, we are complete. You know, most of the time in spiritual talk people say that everything is inside us, the whole universe is inside us. Then why are we dependent? We are dependent because whenever there is a deficit in your energy field always need energy to fulfill the deficiency of your energy. Why you feel deficit? Why there is this deficit comes? Whenever you vibrate in low frequency such as anger, guilt, irritation, being grumpy, being hateful, jealous, when you say wrong things to people, when you criticize people, when you self-pity yourself, self-criticize yourself, self-shame and blame yourself, when you blame the whole world, these are low frequency. Fear, and these all are low frequency. And when you vibrate in low frequency, the deficit is created in your energy field, which your energy field will always try to fulfill with something or somebody that can fulfill the deficiency. So just imagine in a Blu-ray that there are different energy souls walking, you, me, and everyone is sucking energy from others. So we talk about a lot energy vampires, but do you know that you also are an energy vampire? When you have this constant cravings of talking to someone every single day, it is you, the person, who is an energy vampire. I'm not talking about you, the body, you, the energy field. So it is not always that you need to share a lot of things. See, after talking to a person for 3-4 months, for 8-9 hours, a lot of things just get dissolved, like they know everything about us. But then why we need? First of all, it becomes a habit, okay? So your mind will constantly look for it. It's like a drug, basically. You know, this addiction to depend on people emotionally is a drug. So you need it constantly. And why you need that drug? Because your energy field get depleted because of your low vibrations, and then you keep on seeking it from your partner, mother, or even your mother seek it from you, and there's this exchange of energy goes on and on and on. Okay, sometimes we don't realize why some people ghost us. It is because of our own nature and tendency of being an energy vampire. You see a lot of people, you will see a guy or a girl will ghost somebody randomly and they don't call. Sometimes we think that it is their character. It is not always the character. See, if you are somebody who synced with that person really well, if your and that person's vibration will sync, no matter whatever the difference is, you guys will keep on talking with each other. But when the soul, when the energy field of that person B realizes that person A is a sucker, is an energy sucker, they unconsciously will ghost you. Yes, because their energy field is fulfilled, or maybe they are taking from a very high-end source of somebody else, and their energy field is not ready to share that with you. So they will instantly ghost you. Have you ever thought that ghosting can also have this kind of explanation? Because people are mostly busy talking about others' fault, people who ghost us, people who break up with us, or so whatever. It's not always about those people, it's about you also. Because if you vibrated in that most love and most joyous energy, you would never require that kind of validations, emotional dependency, or that kind of everyday talking with somebody. You don't need the urge to even share your energy with somebody. See, if you अगर आपका पेट भरा हुआ रहेगा, will you go and ask food from your mother? No. Will you go and cook something? No. Will you buy something to eat? No. Because your stomach is full, right? Similarly, for example, आप के पास बहुत खाना है, ठीक है, तो जो नेबर्स है ना, वो देखेंगे कि हाँ चलो इसके पास बहुत है, तो आप जाके एक कटोरा शक्कर मांगोगे ना, वो फटाक से दे देंगे, क्योंकि इनको पता है कि इनके पास अबंडेंट है, अभी शायद थोड़ी किसी चीज के लिए इसको कम आया है। जिसके पास बहुत ज्यादा होता है, लोग उन्हीं को देना चाहते हैं या फिर उनसे ही टर्म्स रखना चाहते हैं। क्यों? क्योंकि अबंडेंस के पास हर कोई जाता है। अबंडेंस नॉट ओनली मीन मनी और प्रोस्पेरिटी, अबंडेंस इज ऑल्सो अबाउट द एनर्जी अबंडेंस। तो इस एक्सप्लेनेशन से शायद आपको पता चल गया कि इमोशनल डिपेंडेंसी भी क्या होती है। इमोशनल डिपेंडेंसी भी वही एनर्जी सकिंग एक वाइब्रेशन होती है, जहाँ पे आप लो रहते हो, आप सैड रहते हो, आप फॉलिंग अपार्ट करते रहते हो, which is your low vibration and which you need constantly from somebody. And when you get somebody with abundant, your field actually get somebody with abundant, you always will have this urge of taking it from that person. So you get emotionally attached to that person so much that you become dependent on that person, even emotionally. Emotional sucking, or the energy of emotion sucking from that person. So these are the reasons why you are dependent emotionally on someone. You feel the huge urge of emotional dependence on someone, or you just constantly need somebody to talk or to share or to be with. देखो, सब एनर्जी का ही खेल है, पूरा सिनेरियो एनर्जी का है, और अगर ये एनर्जी का खेल तुम समझ लेते हो ना, तो तुम तो जीत जाओगे। तो फिर इमोशनल डिपेंडेंसी को कैसे हटाए? हाउ टू नॉट बी इमोशनली डिपेंडेंट ऑन एनर्जी लेवल? बिकॉज एनर्जी लेवल पे ठीक करोगे ना, तो ऑटोमेटिकली फिजिकल लेवल पे भी वो बहुत ज्यादा इफेक्टिव हो जाएगा। कैसे ठीक करना है? हील योरसेल्फ। क्या हील करना है? जो अंदर इमोशनल वुंड्स है उसको कैसे पता होगा कि क्या इमोशनल वुंड्स है, क्या है? जहाँ लाइफ में तुम्हें बहुत इरिटेशन होता है, गुस्सा आता है, जेलसी होता है, डिफिकल्टी फेस करते हो, ये सारे चीजें, सारे नेगेटिव इमोशंस, सारे अनकंफर्टेबल सिचुएशन तुमको ही बता रहे, तुमको पॉइंट आउट करके बताते हैं कि यहीं पे तुम्हारा वुंड है और यहीं पे तुम हील करो। Heal yourself on all those places where you feel like the most uncomfortable, most irritated, most disgusting, because that is where you are wounded. And that's why I always say that don't judge a person when somebody is doing some shitty behavior, because that is where their wounds are. Emotional wounds, imprinted wounds in the soul. So heal those parts. Identify it, acknowledge it, heal it. How? Accept it. Yes, I have wounds. Accept it that yes, there is something in me that is needed to be healed. Forgive. Just seek forgiveness from whichever God you believe, because it's one. Just ask for forgiveness that whatever wounds I have carried down in my soul and whatever I've accumulated this lifetime, please forgive me and release me of this low vibration. Because see, if you hold back your anger, hatred, your resentments and everything, you're doing wrong to yourself. You're not doing wrong to anybody. किसी का घंटा फर्क पड़ता है। तुम जो ये एंगर, रिजेंटमेंट, ये सारे अपने अंदर रखते हो ना, तुम एक ब्लेड लेके अपनी आत्मा को चीरते हो ऐसे। या that exactly how it looks like. Your every bit of anger is a blade that you have taken in your hand, and you are just ripping off your own soul. Because every bit of your anger to somebody is actually a self-harm. So identify those where you feel the most uncomfortable, heal those parts just by seeking forgiveness from the Almighty, and accept it. Start being more kind to people. The more you become kind to people, the more you will kind to yourself, your soul, and all the ripping off with your blade which you have done in the past will start healing fast. Kindness and forgiveness is the key to any cure. And last but not least, emotional dependency का सबसे important चीज़ ये है कि realize कर लो कि तुम complete हो, तुम्हारे अंदर कोई void नहीं है, even energy field में भी void नहीं है, तुम किसी पे dependent नहीं हो। ये जो emotional dependent तुम चाहते हो, ठीक है, जो तुम्हारी energy, कभी-कभी energy को भी तुम manipulate कर सकते हो। We have come on earth to manipulate our energy, so why not to manipulate and vibrate in the most loved frequency, most positive frequency, which is love, kindness, forgiveness. That's it. I hope this video will help you if you are extremely emotionally dependent on anybody, because most of the time people are, and a lot of our chakras are blocked because of this. So open your chakras, live your life freely, free yourself from all your wounds, because no one can do anything to you. Only you can help yourself. Just by taking one conscious action and thought that yes, I need healing. Yes, there has been some wounds and I am ready to heal it. The universe will make a way for you. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Do leave a comment below, and yes, subscribe my channel if you haven't yet. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.